Project Alpha really reflects a new way of doing things, a different approach.
Project Alpha was a new start.
Different processes, different methodologies, different concepts, and the engine has delivered on that. It really is the first of a new way of doing things.
What I think makes the A26 unique is everybody brought all of their expertise, all of their insights, and they brought their passion to this product.
So Project Alpha, from the beginning, was all about the customer and very customer-focused, and that drove the requirements.
We're able to take a clean slate approach, and then we're able to build in a very efficient manner.
We knew that the number one thing we had to do was deliver the greatest uptime possible.
The intent of maximizing uptime is to ensure that we don't have the vehicle in the shop. The simplicity of the design of the engine is really aiming at hitting just that.
This engine is as simple as a modern diesel engine can be.
If you have less parts on an engine, there's just less things to go wrong.
The key example on the A26 is a single variable geometry turbocharger. That technology greatly simplified the engine and vehicle air and cooling systems. But also, when things do go wrong, we want to make sure it's very easy to service, so mechanics can get access to any component very quickly.
The high-pressure fuel system is new. It allows us the ability to increase the fuel economy of the engine.
This engine did deliver a significant improvement from the fuel economy perspective.
The way that the engine breathes through the intake system, through the turbocharger, through the cylinder head, and then out through the turbocharger and out through the after-treatment system really did help improve the efficiency.
The engine standing behind me is 2,299 pounds. It's the lightest engine in the marketplace, 600 to 700 pounds lighter than a traditional 15-liter. Lighter weight partially contributes to fuel economy, but also increases payload capacity. Also, noise and vibration is a huge challenge in the industry.
By controlling combustion in a different way, we were able to actually take out the harshness of the combustion sound. It really does help improve the environment for the driver.
The team was quite free to bring their ideas.
Having more freedom allowed us to look at the engine from a new viewpoint.
It is exciting to have more empowerment.
We really gave the team an opportunity to express some of the latest thinking. We deployed a technique called Gaussian statistical models, and this allowed us to fully characterize the engine under all input conditions in a manner that gave us confidence that we had a true representation of the engine, not a discrete model, but a continuous model. That was from one very clever mathematician that we have in our team.
The collaborative one-team approach, I think, was critical for this product.
It utilized everybody's skills to the fullest and really gave us the opportunity to use everybody's expertise.
I think the collaboration with the controls team and the calibration team has helped us to design and develop a product that gave the customer the attributes that they want.
I think the A26 engine is really the next step forward for us as part of Project Alpha to really regrow our place in the market and re-establish the engine brand for international.
We're giving life to an animal, in fact. It's really been great momentum, and all the engineers feel very excited.
I really hope our customers like it as much as I do.
Throughout time, Alpha has signified the beginning, the dawn of something new, a beacon of strength. At International Truck, Project Alpha signifies the advent of a fundamental change in the way we approach engine design, with a singular focus of leading the industry in what's most important to our customers: uptime. It began with a new team of the best and brightest powertrain engineers, each with a fresh perspective and a common vision to deliver unprecedented customer satisfaction.
For us as engineers, it's really just understanding that the customer is who we work for.
This new approach informed a new design philosophy, one that emphasizes simplicity over complexity and favors proven components over experimental technology. A new way of thinking formulated to build a new breed of machine.
We incorporate a philosophy of what's the best it can be and how do we get there.
No part of the traditional engine was too sacred to be scrutinized. After millions of miles and hundreds of thousands of hours of rigorous testing, our brand new vision was brought to life. A simplified, modern engine. Lighter, more reliable, ready to deliver uptime and fuel efficiency like never before.
This engine is powerful, lightweight, is ready for the task.
Born from years of tireless ideation and creation, a shining example of what a new way of thinking can accomplish. Built with uptime in its very DNA. The new International A26. Not just a new engine, a new beginning at International Truck. It's uptime.
So we are in Melrose Park, Illinois. This is where our technical center is at. This is where the products come to life.
The test cell located behind me is one of our durability test cells. And what we do in here is we gather data and assess the performance of the engine.
Is this dyno? This measures the torque and horsepower output of the engine.
Our testing was very efficient. We run these hours and we run these miles.
And those miles and those hours that we test are typically at very high engine speeds and very high engine loads, which is far more aggressive than any customer application.
So here at the engine test facility, we also have a cold room that we're able to bring temperatures down to -40. It's a very cold temperature. Why that's important is because our customers see all sorts of conditions. They don't drive in a 77-degree sunny day every day. And it's important that the A26 is able to perform in all those conditions.
So you may have noticed we're standing in an anechoic chamber. This is a quiet room. We use it to test noise and vibration to make the engine as quiet as possible. We've been able to optimize the A26 to be one of the quietest and smoothest engines in the marketplace.
The performance of the engine is remarkably quiet, which is very good for the driver. It's less stressful if the engine and the environment is quieter.
My team was tasked to evaluate the fuel economy of this new products. As we continue to test it, we're excited to see that it's actually over-delivering to what we have set as our targets.
We're up to 5% more fuel efficient than today's N13, and that's approximately twice the fuel economy improvement of any other OEM's published literature.
I personally feel that I had a privilege to be a part of this great team. Together, collaboratively, we've been able to achieve our goal of delivering this product.
Very excited to get this engine out to the customer.
This engine is going to be very competitive.
This engine is ready for the task.
I'm very confident the A26 will quickly become a leader in the marketplace.